In 2022, Canon made a major splash in the mirrorless camera market with the release of the EOS R7, a crop sensor powerhouse that quickly became a favorite among wildlife and sports photographers. Its robust 32.5 megapixel sensor, lightning-fast 15 FPS, mechanical shutter, and dependable autofocus system earned it praise from professionals and enthusiasts alike. Fast forward to today, and all eyes are on what's next: the highly anticipated Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Rumors are heating up, and at Techno Trend Zone, we've gathered the most credible leaks and insider whispers to bring you an in-depth look at what this potential successor might offer. Let's begin with the design. Canon is expected to refine the R7's already excellent build with minor but meaningful updates. Sources suggest the Mark II will retain the compact yet professional-grade body that made the original so appealing. Improvements could include a better textured grip for enhanced handling and slight repositioning of physical controls to improve ergonomics. The 3.69 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder is likely to remain unchanged, providing a crystal-clear preview of the scene. Meanwhile, the fully articulating LCD touchscreen, rumored to still offer a 1.6 million dot resolution, will likely continue to support flexible shooting angles. Materials used in the body construction may be upgraded slightly, with additional magnesium alloy parts enhancing both durability and weather resistance, without significantly increasing weight. And yes, the APS-C format that wildlife and sports photographers love is almost certainly staying. When it comes to specifications, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could introduce a serious leap forward. According to multiple reports, it may feature a next-generation 32.5 megapixel stacked APS-C CMOS sensor. This would be Canon's first time implementing stacked sensor technology in an APS-C body, and if true, it could bring notable gains in speed, dynamic range, and image quality. This type of sensor, seen in Canon's higher-end full-frame models, dramatically increases readout speed, minimizing rolling shutter and enabling higher burst rates. Though details remain speculative, the sensor is expected to be paired with a new or upgraded DigiC-X image processor, capable of managing the increased data load. Hints at possible 8K support, while not confirmed, suggest a significant improvement in processing capabilities, potentially elevating both stills and video, performance beyond what the original R7 could deliver. Autofocus is another area where big changes may be coming. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is likely to be featured again, but enhanced with improved subject detection and tracking, possibly using AI or machine learning algorithms. This could improve face and eye detection in tricky lighting or fast-paced environments. Wildlife shooters could benefit from enhanced animal tracking, while motorsports photographers may enjoy better vehicle recognition. The in-body 5-axis image stabilization is rumored to offer up to 7 stops of correction, a noticeable boost over the original model. Altogether, these upgrades could result in one of the most responsive and intelligent autofocus systems in any APS-C mirrorless camera to date. Performance is expected to get a significant upgrade as well. The stacked sensor design could enable continuous shooting at up to 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter, while maintaining the already impressive 15 FPS with the mechanical shutter. For photographers who rely on capturing split-second moments, whether it's a bird in flight or a footballer in motion, this could be a game-changer. Video capabilities may be just as exciting. Rumors point to 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second in 10-bit color, with support for Canon Log 3 and HDR PQ formats. External 6K ProRes RAW recording might also be on the table, positioning the R7 Mark II as a hybrid shooter that's ideal for both serious videographers and content creators. This combination of speed, resolution, and flexibility would help the camera stand out not just in Canon's lineup, but also among its competitors, including Sony's APS-C offerings. There's more. The R7 Mark II is likely to come with a range of modern connectivity options, such as built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for fast wireless transfers and remote shooting via smartphone apps. Canon's multifunction hot shoe could enable compatibility, with advanced accessories like external microphones and wireless triggers, enhancing both audio and flash photography setups. Dual UHS-2 SD card slots are expected to return, ensuring both flexibility and backup options during extended shoots. Additionally, The camera is expected to maintain full compatibility with Canon's growing RF and RFS lens ecosystem. Word on the street is that Canon may even introduce a couple of new pro-grade RFS lenses alongside the R7 Mark II, giving users more high-performance glass tailored to the APS-C format. As for availability and pricing, most speculation points to a potential release date sometime in Q3 2025. This timing could align with major photography expos or trade shows, events Canon has previously used for high-profile launches. Pricing is expected to be slightly higher than the original R7, due to the inclusion of stacked sensor technology and other premium features. A projected range of $1,500 to $2,000 seems plausible, putting it in the same ballpark as other high-end APS-C mirrorless options while still undercutting many full-frame rivals. In conclusion, while we're still waiting for an official announcement from Canon, the rumored Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be one of the most exciting APS-C mirrorless cameras in years. From an innovative stacked sensor to elite-level autofocus and 4K 120p video, the R7 Mark II could redefine what creators expect from a mid-range body. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast, sports photographer, or hybrid content creator, this camera might be worth holding out for. Keep in mind, though, that these details are based on leaks and insider chatter, so take them with a grain of caution. Still, the potential here is enormous. Thanks for watching Techno Trend Zone. Be sure to let us know in the comments what you're most excited about, or what features you're hoping to see in the R7 Mark II. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth camera news and gear breakdowns.